Well, hi, how are you? Good to see you again. Well, I got me a butterfly leg of lamb that I want to cook in the slow cooker. So I got some onion for it and some carrot. I forgot the fucking potatoes. Damn it. Damn it. I always forget something, but I got garlic. Jeez, I'll put the garlic in there too. But I'm finally getting around to the Captain Electro garlic test on slicing garlic. It's slicing garlic real thin is what the goal is. Now, he didn't say, basically, from the best of my knowledge, on how you can do it. I got 3 knives here I want to try. 4. I got the Yojumbo. Just got a gnat in my fucking eye. God damn, man. Little fucker. I got the Yojumbo. I got the CRKT flat out. I got the Vox Suru from Montiago, Italy. And just because I had it in my pocket, I got the Benchmade. Now, let's see what we can do here. Slicing it real thin. Take the trusty, you know what, fuck that, let's use a hammer. There we go. Don't want to bake it up too much. I want a clove. Got a clove. Got a partial clove which won't slice very well, so we'll just save that. Alright, God, the bugs, man. Fucking bugs. Got another partial little clove, so we'll save that too. Just throw in the crock pot, not try to slice it. I use some bug spray. Maybe the garlic will keep the bugs away too. Okay. I got some garlic. That's the biggest one. Let's see how well the CRKT flat out does on giving me a really thin slice. First, let's get the edge. Not too bad. You can almost see through it. Okay, that did well. Let's try the Benchmade bug out. That did good too. Let's try, get another piece here because that one's getting kind of small. Let's try the Suru Vox. This one crushed. Alright, that ain't working too well because it crushed. Let's try it on this. Okay, the Vox Suru is a little, well, it's a lot of thicker blade. Doesn't look like it, but it is. So that didn't go that well. But try this larger knife, Yojumbo, and yeah, it's a larger knife. But that did well. For being a larger blade, that did very well. That did well. But here's how I would do it. Like this. And slice forward. Now that way I have control of a very slippery vegetable. So boys and girls, do not try this at home. Now we're getting into peril. Okay, that was a little too thick. Now we're getting there. Let's try the flat out that way. Yeah. So thin they're falling apart. Let's try the Vox that way. Let's get another clove here. Yep. Well, let's try the Benchmade last, the bug out. Whoops. I'd almost cut a thumb. If you're not comfortable with knives, and yes, I'm cutting towards myself, I have been doing this for years. But if you're not comfortable with knives, ooh, look at that one. Look at that one. Focus, damn you. But anywho, if you're not comfortable with knives, then don't do this. First of all, these things are very small. Second of all, this is with bug spray, little fucker. Okay, they're little, they're very small, and they're slippery, and that's why it's safer to actually do it like this. right, that should be enough for my leg of lamb. And that's my thought on thin slicing garlic. And I have iced tea. Oh boy. Oh, damn, that's good. Gotta go, very busy. We'll see you.